How to fix NFC is not working in Moto G96. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and updates. Now click on it and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on system and click on reset options. Now click on reset app preferences and click on reset apps. After reset app preferences, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.